me, 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 me. Hello, mouth hackers! Today we are going to be learning the M sound in English, okay? So the M sound is actually not that hard. If you can do what I'm about to do, then you can absolutely pronounce the M sound in English. Alright, so what we'll need for today is just your favorite shade of lipstick or chapstick. And it can be chapstick too, it's not a problem at all. All you have to do is apply it. So I'm going to use my mirror and I'm going to apply M. Okay, I put on a lot, but it's just to prove a point. So, mom, Mary, most. So, that was easy. If you can apply chapstick or lipstick, smear it in, then you can pronounce the M sound in English. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Happy practicing!